using Git Terraform. As you can see, these are the files I have just created and the main file main.tft where my code is. The code look like this, and I like to tell you that these are the firewall objects gonna created after the code got pushed. And if I scroll a little bit down, you will see the network objects. Just note down the names, you're gonna see that like this. Then group objects, these are the group objects. Everywhere you see this Terraform as a common, so that will come to know these are the Terraform objects groups. And now let's see the rules. So everywhere, okay, if I log into the SmartConsole, I'll show you what I have right now so that you quickly understand uh, once the Terraform get pushed what happens. Just let you know guys, I have in a progress to work on this series, and in this series I'll be talking about how you can work in automation and how you can do your life easy via automation. Main concept is Terraform. I'll be explaining the Terraform, how you can use the Terraform for firewall automations. First firewall I have considered is Check Point Firewall, okay, and this is a live environment. So I'll just take you to the policy, okay, and I just want to show you that what policy right now we have. So these are the policy what we have, okay. I don't see much policies there. This is the extra policy got pushed when I did the Terraform config from the Terraform for the testing purpose, okay. So just avoid that. But see, anything you can see with the name of Terraform, no, right? And there are the objects and everything which is newly gonna created. So what you want to do, once you do this changes, you have to commit the changes. Committing is nothing but you are saving the changes, and once you are done, basically if you go series of steps, there will be like you have to do the pull request and then go to the action. But here I am directly going to the action so that you will see the changes happened. And if you click to this Terraform dot, you will see what are the things is going to happen. I mean, this is the Terraform automation, I mean the verification checks and everything, right? So all you can see over here itself. Just to tell you, this is the VM environment and it is a private environment, not hosted on the public. So let's see if everything goes well. We are good. So I just want to test one thing, okay. So we have the action runner, which is good. So I can see this guy is started but it is not moving. I have to wait, or I have to cancel this workflow and reinitiate it because something is not look good. What not look good? Let's go ahead and check that settings, and if I go to the actions runners, it should show me, oh, see, it is offline, right? So this offline means it's not working, the connection will not work. So for now I have to cancel this so that I'll start the runner, okay. So I did cancel it, or let's view the workflow. So you can cancel it from here as well. I mean, we're gonna learn this in detail, but see, right now it's just pushing the config. What we will do, we'll just start the runner so this thing also work. So what I'll do, I'll just say Control Z, C, whatever it is, and it is existing, existing from the runner thing, and we need to just say no, and I just need to restart it. So I have just restarted it. This job is got cancelled. We need to run it. Before that, I just go to the secure settings, and here action runner, it should show me something like idle, okay. Now it looks good. We can rerun that job. So what I'll do, I'll just come here. I'll have to click this guy, and here I'll just rerun it. So here now this guy will run, and now you will see the steps quickly. I mean, because of that runner was not running, we were not able to see the steps, but hopefully now we will see everything. And as you can see, it started now. So let's see whatever the code we have, it should get pushed to the firewall. So these are all the steps come in play, like the initialization. See here, it checks for the runner. Uh, it checks for the, what is this, logs and everything. After this, once this he is satisfied with the these checks, this is important. I mean, you don't have to worry much. It itself check all these things, and anything wrong with your code or anything wrong with your process, it gives you right away error here if you don't push it. So that's the one benefit what we have. Now initialization is going like Terraform init. So the use of this thing is like you can bulkily push your policies to your security management server. I mean, save it over there, and from there you can push to the gateway. Uh, See, if you're working in a large company, every day multiple rules got created, and manually configuring each and every rule, it's like a headache, right? So every time you can't configure manually, so for that you need to search for such things like some sort of automation. And now AI is here, so automation will go up. See, we got some error. So I see the error, Terraform validate main TF line 114. Checkpoint management publish. Checkpoint management access will allow HTTP inbound. So allow HTTP inbound is has not been declared in the root module. Okay. See, these are the common things. If you don't know how to tackle it, the best way I just tell you, take a snip of it. Okay. And see, I can research and do a lot of things here, and I'll come with the correct answer. But I'll tell you the cool thing, you know, I'll take this screenshot, okay, and I don't know how to deal with this thing. So what I'll do, I'll just go to ChatGPT or the Claude AI, and I just tell him that help me with resolution of this. Uh, so I'll just copy paste this. Please solve it and give me instruction to correct code. You can just give these details to the AI, and AI is supposed to give you the right answer. That is what the role of AI, right? So what it's saying, the error says is being referenced in your resource but no resource with that name exists. So it's saying in main, okay, line 104 you have something like this. This resource does not exist. Okay, so Terraform can't find resource details. How to fix it? Option 1, check your main TF for actual name use. For example, if it's declared as checkpoint management access rule HTTP whatever it is, then update 114 line something like this, depends equals checkpoint management access rule dot HTTP underscore rule. Okay, so come to this, like I'll just show you how we can fix it. So I'll just go to the code, and here I'll just go to the main, and it's a 114 line, right? See, this is the small edit button, just click that, and it says 114. So let's see what mistake I have done here. So 114, this checkpoint management access rule. Okay, so what AI says, checkpoint management access underscore rule. So what we have here, so what I'll do next, I'll do this. Okay, so this is my line 114. Okay, I'll just do one thing, I highlight this line. Okay, so that my AI will know that what I want to say. I just want to tell him that this is what I have right now. He will understand by himself that this is what he have and what correction I need to do. Okay, so now you can see the full picture. Your checkpoint management published block depends on file resources. The error is online one, meaning allow underscore http inbound declare anywhere in your, not declare anywhere in your main tf file. So check that each of these declare in your main. So this is what it's saying, it's missing. Checkpoint access rule allow underscore http inbound. Okay, so I understood that. Here I made a mistake, I'll show you. So what I'll do, for a safer side, I'll just copy this code for now and I'll have to show you this. This is what I did by myself, mistake, and where it is I'll just show you. So when I come to the see here, it's saying resource checkpoint management underscore rule and this guy, right, like this. And here if you see, I don't see that, right? Resource checkpoint management access rule allow http inbound. Okay, now this is got fixed, so you should see uh, see here the changes need to be done. And what I did, my mistake was, I just assumed that my rule name should be something like here, but it's supposed to be here, right? So what I'll do, I'll just change the rule name here, Terraform. Okay, now everything looks good. Now here also I did mistake, if you see, right? So if I just copy paste this thing also, I'll just tell AI. So this block is also wrong, I believe. I'll just put it here. So it will say yes, it is also wrong, and it will give me the correct one. So this is what I need to do. So I'm also learning this, guys. It's not like that I'm expert into this. I'm just started working on these things, and that's why I would like you guys also be with me and understand how this everything works. For that, you guys have to subscribe my channel. I mean, without that you won't be able to learn it. I mean, every day I'll put some videos and you miss the link, something like that, right? So let's do this all together. Here also I'll change the name, Terraform. So you'll be seeing all these things in firewall. So two names are there and two rules are there, both are got changed. Cleanup rule I just disabled. Okay, so we should see these two rules now, 1 and 2. Okay, hopefully this looks good and we'll see how it goes. So what I'm going to do now, I'll just commit the changes and let's go back to the action tab and see everything live now. So this is what the new thing You have to just click it, and again you have to click this guy so that everything you can see lively. Just wait for everything to get run, and we'll see this time it works or how it goes. So this is why the Terraform is very important. I mean, if you do the mistake itself, it get rectify here before pushing to your config, so that if anything goes wrong, you'll be able to understand it. Where what is wrong. That's the best part. I mean, initially you will take a time to understand this and learn this and then implement. But if you know everything, then it's a piece of cake. I mean, for any work, every work you can do this thing. I'm learning this. I mean, day by day, new things. Now validation is happening. Maybe if anything goes wrong, it shows here. Let's validate it. I mean, how it looks. You can use. Okay, now I also got error. So resource checkpoint publish. Line 1 is checkpoint management access rule cleanup. A manage resource checkpoint and access rule cleanup has not been declared in the root module. Okay, so there may be mismatch of it. I mean, somewhere I have to use it, but as I shown you, I have commented it, so it won't be come in a picture. But this is how it is. I mean, the code look like and everything. So to support that, I have to enable it, but I'll change the name of it just for the demo purpose. We are doing everything, so I want to see like what the AI says. So name mismatch, allow DNS fix work now filling almost I didn't declare. Okay, so let's fix this also. Quick fix what it says. So it's talking about the cleanup rule, but it's talking the rest of the rules. So what I'll do, let's do this thing, guys. I'll just go back to the code. Sometimes you can't depend everything on AI. I mean, sometimes you have to use your mind also. My mind is saying something I may mess up with the cleanup rule, and somewhere else it's got declared. That's why it's giving me some error. I'll tell you what. So if you come here, I just here I just made this all. So maybe this is needed. I'm not sure. So that I'm just removing this thing. Oh, I have to edit it. So maybe this guy needed cleanup rule. Maybe I have declared it somewhere else. The code is copied from the AI, so I don't know where what is got positioned. So what we will do, just change the name. Instead of this, I'll just use say Terraform. And the rest we will just keep it as it is. Obviously there will be some link to it somewhere somehow. That's linked giving this error. So right now I just corrected it and I'm just committing the changes. Hopefully this time code will run. If not, we will learn. I mean, we will debug. So I'm going to the action and here as well. So let's wait for this to be get validated. Now here I can see the configuration looks valid, some good sign if you see success. plan is the something where we see the actual error if anything comes, and if plan looks good it get apply, and if any errors are there it will show you here. Sometimes happens the error comes when you do the planning, I mean on this phase, because maybe the object names are duplicated, or some duplication happens. Due to that it is not working, or maybe whatever the credential you have given it is not matching or something like that. A lot of things comes in play. So all this get validated at the Terraform plan stage, and it looks good. So it's going for the apply. Now this is the stage where you will see all the config what I have just done going to apply to my SMS security management server. And once this is got applied, okay, so it's saying all this thing is getting created. So I am not logging, I mean I don't have to log in and do all this creation things. It's automatically getting from the checkpoint side itself. So I have not logged in to the SMS. It just everything is done by the automation. I'm just already, I mean I have just given a configuration already. Somehow there is an error, an object, something like that. Let's see what that error is. An object is logged by another session with the checkpoint management access to allow us to be okay. So this looks good, I mean we are good. The only thing is that something what we have used is invalid color name and details. Let's check quickly if it is updated out here. If it is not, that means we need to rerun the things again. But this time it's a very silly thing. We have to just manage the that color and all. So if you see, this looks good. There is no change applied, and talking about some session things. So what I'll do for now, I'll see what are the sessions we have, and see these guys. Right now what we will do, we'll just remove all these sessions so that we will not face any issue regarding anything. So this is fine. This is already disconnected. Our sessions will just discard and disconnect, so that we should not get any issue for our next changes. So one thing what we got here, this green color thing, and I think it is quite simple. I mean I can give it this thing to the AI as well, so that it will correct me, because it is some syntax error what we have done. I'll show you where it is. Let's go back to the code, main file, and if I just do this something like, it's not here, I just want to say Control F and green somewhere, that okay, green color is giving me some error here or what. Let's check the code. Okay, so color equals to dark underscore green invalid hyphen. So correct is like this. You have to give something like this. There's no hyphen needed, this guy. So where it is, which file it asking me to get modify. Main line 40. So here if I come, see, sometimes AI also give you the wrong code, right? So I have just modified it, and I'll just quickly check if I have something else like that, so that the same error will not appear again. I think everything looks good, and now I just remove the sessions and everything. I'll just commit the changes, and we'll just go back to the action tab after this, and we'll see everything again lively. So hopefully this time this get push. So Terraform, I'll just click to that, and once I click I'll see the setup jobs. So these things should come once before you implementing everything. I mean, it will come all the time whenever we do the mistake, but I'm thinking once you are good at it, the setup and configuration, you know what to change and how to change, then we won't be able to do mistake. If you are a learner like me, what I am learning now, you also do a lot of this research, and slowly you will be good in this. I'm 100% sure that if you are a network engineer, you have to be in automation, guys. I mean, everything is took by the AI now, and certainly, if you don't know the automation, your jobs will go away, to be honest, because every company is looking for the automation guy instead of actual engineer like a network engineer. They are trying to hire a DevOps engineer so that uh, the automation get pushed, because senior management, they want automation. I mean, they are doing heavy investment in different AIs, and if there is no outcome of that investment, then they will get a blame. So they don't want that. They just have to get this to be done. So all the work what we are doing will be on automation. There should be some scope like manual work, because we can't be entirely depend on the automation, but somehow that is not 100% sure. I mean, we don't know like if they are looking for the manual thing or what. So plan stage passes, now it's applying. I removed the sessions, I removed that green dash thing, and let's see if it's get apply. So everything is getting created. Hopefully we should not get any error, and let's see, it's still creating. This is all happening on your management server, that's why. So creation completed. Wow, I'm so happy, guys. My first code is got run on the checkpoint firewall using Terraform, and as you can see on my screen, everything is getting created. And oh, I got an error as well, but error is there, but the things is that I can see the things are got created, right? So I can see an object is logged by the another session. That is fine. I mean, some session is taken care took by some console, or maybe I am logged into this guy, that's why. But see, I want to see if something like rules and all those things got created or not. If it is not created, then well, I'm happy, so that I can rerun the things. Okay, it is not created, so I'm happy now. I can recreate the things, but the the problem is that I just want to make sure that objects also not created. If object created, then again I have to come here and delete those objects. So my name was like a Terraform. Okay, the objects is not created. I'm okay with this. What I'll do, I'll go to the manage and settings. Only issue what we have now, this session thing, right? So we'll just this cancel. I don't want to publish this. Discard the sessions. Okay. If I publish it, all those things is going to be implement, but I don't want that for now. Discard. Okay. And for a safer side, what I'll do, I'll also get out of this. I mean, I don't want this to get run. I mean, I should not get the error again. So I just exited from that. Hopefully there is no session now. And what I'll do, I'll just rerun this job so that we can see now everything working well as expected. Let's wait for this, guys, now. So plan looks good and it's getting applied now. Hopefully this time session error should not appear, and everything looks good. I just see it's getting applied. And here also you can note the time. I mean, how much time it takes to execute everything. Comparatively, rest of the phase execution apply phase taking time because obviously these things is getting created on the SMS. 3 minute pass, still it's getting apply. I think now we are in a good shape because oh, still failed. So sad. What is the issue, buddy? Policy installation with checkpoint management install policy install on main TF line, checkpoint install, resource checkpoint install. Okay, I'm okay with this. For now, I will work on the policy installation part because that is what I have not considered for now. The reason being, I just wanted uh, the reason being I just wanted to understand if it is just you know pushing these changes to the SMS, and policy installation will take care of later. But for now, I'll just put this into the uh, my AI and will witness the policy configuration is delivered or not. I am 100% sure now the policy configuration on the SMS is happened because that is I can see it's got created, but the policy push is not happen, which is perfectly fine. I am okay with that. Let's get it logged in and we'll work on the policy push also. Let me just give my password here. Let it get logged in, but we see okay, so it's saying gateway not reachable, seek not established, and which is very correct. I mean, I don't know if this guy giving me that indication. See, it is not mentioned anywhere about the sick and everything, but how this AI know this? Because I'll show you, this is the only reason. Because my gateway status, if you see, it's red as in there is some issue with the sick status or something like that, and that was the issue. I will rectify it and then we'll push the policy. But having said that, this script, whatever I have done, is working so well and everything looks very perfect here. And why I'm saying so, I'll just show you once this application get launched. So give it a minute, and this is launched. Here I can see AI session, no locks and no thing, which is good. Security policy, I should see my new policies now. And here are the new policy: Terraform internal LAN. Wherever I have given this name, Terraform, that's supposed to be hit here. See, Terraform cleanup rule, it is extra got created, which is perfectly fine. I am just testing it. And if you see, Terraform allow HTTPS inbound, Terraform DNS. So these are the new rules got created. Why I'm saying the policy push will not happen, because my gateway is in a red. If you see, I can see it is lost. I mean, what I can do here, I'll just reset my SIC, and this is what the AI also know, that my SIC is not working. I don't know how he knows, but based on that simple error, it gives me this details, and which is perfectly fine. If you see, the status is unknown and it is not working. So guys, this is going to fix in the next video. But thanks for watching this video, and I hope you have learned a lot, and I'm also learning the AI things. So try to subscribe my channel, be with me for my journey, and at last, thanks. Have a nice day.